Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to reset network settings on your mobile device. Whether you're experiencing connectivity issues or just want to start fresh with your network settings, this is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to reset network settings on both iOS and Android devices. Step 1: iOS. Let's start with iOS devices. To reset network settings on an iPhone or iPad, go to the Settings app and select General. Then, scroll down and select Reset. Here, you'll see a few options, including Reset Network Settings. Tap on this option and confirm that you want to reset your network settings. This will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks, passwords, and cellular settings. So make sure you have this information saved elsewhere if you need it. Step 2: Android. Now, let's move on to resetting network settings on an Android device. The steps may vary slightly depending on your device and version of Android. But generally, you'll want to go to the Settings app and select System or General Management. From there, look for an option called Reset or Reset Options. Again, the specific wording may vary depending on your device. Once you find this option, select Reset Network Settings and confirm that you want to proceed. And that's it. Resetting network settings can be a quick and easy way to troubleshoot connectivity issues or start fresh with your network settings. Just remember that this will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks, passwords, and cellular settings. So make sure you have this information saved elsewhere if you need it. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.